2021. The first purpose of this video is just to say Happy New Year. I also want to thank all the people who have subscribed to my channel in the past 15 months that I've had it, as well as all those that viewed the videos on my channel, and I hope those viewers will become subscribers. I started my channel on September the 6th, 2019. After I had retired as a physical therapist for 44 years, I wanted to start a YouTube channel that showed my interests and experiences. My interests are art, crafts, sewing, quilting, fishing, and traveling, whether it be by air, by ship, or in our travel trailer. In the beginning, I wasn't very consistent about making videos and posting them, but I have become more consistent in the past few months. I post my videos so they can be aired on Friday mornings. I'm also posting one a week. The reason I am posting so they can be viewed on Friday mornings, I believe there's less YouTube traffic at that time. Many of the YouTube videos that I watch and follow are posted on Sundays, and there's a lot of them, and I think my little channel would just get lost in the bunch. As of the filming of this video, and today is December 28th, 2020, I have 130 subscribers. That doesn't seem like much, but I am grateful for all of them. So what are my goals for 2021 for my channel? Well, first of all, I have left Total Knee scheduled for January the 6th, 2021, if it doesn't get postponed. And during the time of my recovery, I have about 10 videos I'm editing that will keep the channel moving. Right after Thanksgiving, Ernie and I went on a little camping trip to the desert, and we had our first Harvest Host experience at M2 Winery. We also stayed at the Orange Grove RV Park in Bakersfield, and we got to pick our own oranges. We then went on to Beatty, Nevada, and toured the Death Valley. And from there we went to Las Vegas and took day trips to Red Rock Canyon and to Valley of Fire. So like I say, I have quite a few videos I'm editing that'll keep the channel going while I'm in recovery. During the year 2021, I will also be doing some more quilt demonstrations, and I have more patterns for drawings, for free drawings. So stay tuned for that. I hope that we get our vaccines by early spring, because I would really like to take a trip to the southern deserts of California to see the flower bloom, as well as go to a few national parks along the way. And I'm already mapping out and planning a trip across country during the summer. We didn't get to take that trip last summer, and we would go from California to Ohio and stopping at many national parks and state parks and visit family and friends. I may also do what I call a flashback trip, which is a trip that I've taken before I started my YouTube channel, similar to the one I did on my trip to Kenya. Thank you for watching. As always, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, please. Share and comment. Oh, and when you do subscribe, there's a little notification bell down that you need to click on and make sure it says all videos. That way you will be notified when I do post my videos. And of course, stay crafty in 2021.